Okay, hello friends, welcome to my channel Take Up Solution. So today topic is from hole, rib, slot, solid combine, multi-section solid and multi-section solid. That is under sketch based feature. That is under sketch based feature. Previously I already covered pad, pocket and shaft and groove. Okay, so now first go to the YZ plane and then sketch YZ plane and sketch, then create suppose here one rectangle, then exit workbench and pad it with mirror extend. Suppose this one is 20 millimeter, in opposite side also 20 millimeter. So now increase this one, and now this one is hole. Under hole option just click anywhere, so click anywhere, then rotate as per your suitable, then give diameter here, then you can change depth from here, and also go to the positioning sketch. How to positioning the sketch? Positioning means this one click by arbitrary, but from constant toolbar this one is constant. Go to the constant and click the point and click any vertical axis. So now you can change from the vertical distance here, suppose give 50 here, and also this one suppose click here and click here. So now this one is suppose 100 here. So now this is the one point goes to here. So now go in exit workbench, and now whole position automatically from change point to this to that point, and then this is the blind, and up to next, up to last, up to plane or up to surface already covered in the suppose in the pad. Okay, similar same concept is here also. So up to next means next, so depth will be invisible. Clear? So now this one is, next one is type. Suppose count tapered, this one is tapered, or go to the counter board, this one is counter board, dimension shows here. Suppose click here. So now this one is counter board parameters. Next you can create suppose thread here. So now thread is on. Now hole depth is 112, but thread is 10 millimeter, so you can create up to 112 dimension thread. So if you change here thread depth, suppose say as 50, so up to 50 thread will be created, up to 50 dimension, 50 length. Okay, so now this one is right hand thread or left hand thread, choose from here. So now this one is okay. So that is the hole with thread. So that is the hole with thread created here. So next topic is rib. So now go to the start mechanical design part design, that is rib. Suppose click here YZ plane, suppose click here YZ plane and create here one circle. Suppose this one is circle and create from YZ plane. So now choose here now ZX plane. So ZX plane, just choose ZX plane, ZX plane. Next create spline suppose, and then exit workbench. Okay, then rib here. So that is the profile and that is the center curve. So this one is profile and this one is center curve. Okay, so now this one is preview option, so this one is preview. Next suppose thick profile is on. So now this one is thick profile is on, so that is the thickness created here. Same things already. Thickness 1 means inside of the sketch and thickness 2 is the outside of the sketch. Okay, so thickness 1 and thickness 2 already done here. So if you change here, suppose circle sketch 1, go to the sketch 1. If you change here, this one is as a circle, so now you can change from this. Next also similar procedure, slot created here. Suppose similar procedure in ZX plane, you also create one spline or one open profile, any open profile. Suppose click here, this one is open profile, and now in the YZ plane sketch, in the YZ plane create sketch, create one rectangle here. So now this one is slot, go to the slot, and this one is profile and this one is center curve. So just slot means remove the material, concept is same but same as reef, but in case of slot that is remove material, in case of reef that is add material. Okay, so that is the slot. Next one is solid combine. Solid combine is, suppose this one is part design, create here, suppose in the profile create here one axis also, then exit workbench, shaft, preview, then OK, then create here one YZ plane sketch, create one axis here, one line first, then go to the steepener, that is steepener. Okay, so that is the steepener. So steepener means just support the material. Next also go to the part design. Next one is solid combine. How to create solid combine? Create one rectangle and create one spline. Both are closed. In another one is first one is in YZ plane and another one is ZX plane. So go to the solid combine. Under solid combine, suppose select this one and select that one. So now this one is okay. So that is the solid combine. Means rectangle length and spline profile both are selected. Next one is under part design, there have a multi-section solid. Multi-section solid, suppose create here one rectangle here, then exit workbench, then create here another plane. How to create plane? Suppose this is the plane option, this is the plane option, suppose this is the plane option, and select this one, this same YZ plane. Then select this plane, newly created plane, and create another rectangle, which is this one. Also create another plane, suppose select here and reverse direction. So now select this one and sketch. Then multi-section solid, suppose select this one, select that one, and select also this one. So this is the closing point direction, this one, and also this one is closing point direction. So closing point direction should be same, and there have a all are rectangles, so vertex also same, so there do not need any guide curve. Okay, so preview just. So now this one is automatically joined. If vertex are different, then need guide curves. So I'll show here. If suppose joined by one rectangle and one triangle, so then select suppose YZ plane, by profile toolbar, create one triangle here and select by plane, select this plane and sketch, then create one rectangle here, create one rectangle here. Then how to draw a line without entering the sketch option. So go to the line here, that is the reference element line. Suppose first select this point and select that point, then okay, so line will be created here. In CATIA, just double click here, double click on the line for multiple user at a time. So double click in any toolbar, so just select those point, then okay. So now this one is automatically coming, line definition. Also select when point is blinked, then click here, so click and now click here also. So now this one is okay also. Then click point and click another point also here, then okay. So just cancel it. Now go to the multi-section solid, go to the multi-section solid, suppose select this one and select that one. Okay, so closing point in this direction, this one also closing point is this direction. In case guide curve is needed, so just click here and click all the lines here, all the lines here, then preview. So now this one is multi-section solid without similar vertex point. So now if you change closing point here, so on the closing point just right click and replace and select this point. So now this becomes red, red means there have some mistake is here. So now closing point also change another one also, so replace and choose this one, so that is closing point in same direction. So just click here opposite and click here opposite, then preview, then this one is correct, then okay. So that is the multi-section solid. Also remove multi-section solid is same as multi-section solid. Okay, so if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and comment as per your requirement. Okay, thank you.